Hello and welcome to this video about credit card debt. In this video, we'll be discussing some strategies for managing and reducing credit card debt. Credit card debt. It's a problem that millions of people face every day. Whether it's from overspending, unexpected expenses, or just trying to make ends meet, credit card debt can quickly spiral out of control. In this video, we'll discuss the causes of credit card debt and provide you with some tips on how to get out of it. Cut to a shot of a person swiping their credit card at a store. One of the most common causes of credit card debt is overspending. It's easy to fall into the trap of using your credit card to buy things you can't afford, thinking that you'll pay it off later. But if you don't pay off your balance in full each month, interest charges can quickly add up, and before you know it, you're drowning in debt. Cut to a shot of a person receiving a medical bill in the mail. Another cause of credit card debt is unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or home repairs. These expenses can quickly add up and push you into debt if you don't have an emergency fund to cover them. Cut to a shot of a person sitting at a desk with a calculator and budget spreadsheet. So, what can you do if you're struggling with credit card debt? The first step is to create a budget. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and free up more money to put towards paying off your debt. Cut to a shot of a person cutting up their credit card. Another step is to stop using your credit card. It may seem obvious, but many people continue to use their credit cards even when they're in debt. By cutting up your card or putting it away, you can prevent your debt from growing any further. Cut to a shot of a person calling their credit card company. If you're struggling to make your payments, don't be afraid to call your credit card company. They may be able to offer you a lower interest rate or a payment plan that will help you pay off your debt more easily. Cut to a shot of a person transferring their balance to a new credit card. Another option is to consider a balance transfer. This involves moving your credit card debt to a card with a lower interest rate. This can help you save money on interest charges and pay off your debt faster. Cut to a shot of a personal meeting with a financial advisor. If you're really struggling with credit card debt, you may want to consider getting help from a financial advisor. They can help you create a debt repayment plan and provide you with advice on how to manage your finances. To a shot of a person searching for debt management resources online. If you're not sure where to start, there are plenty of resources available online to help you manage your debt. Websites like Debt.org and Credit Karma offer free tools and information to help you understand your debt and create a plan to pay it off. Cut to a shot of a person attending a financial education class. Another option is to attend a financial education class. These classes can teach you valuable skills, such as budgeting and debt management, and provide you with the support you need to get out of debt. Cut to a shot of a person applying for a debt consolidation loan. If you have multiple credit cards with high interest rates, you may want to consider a debt consolidation loan. This type of loan allows you to combine all your debts into one monthly payment, often at a lower interest rate. Cut to a shot of a person using a debt snowball method. One popular debt repayment method is the debt snowball. This involves paying off your smallest debts first and then using that money to pay off your larger debts. It can be a great way to stay motivated and make progress on your debts quickly. Cut to a shot of a person walking out of a debt counseling session. If you're struggling emotionally with your debt, don't hesitate to seek out professional help. Debt counseling services can help you manage your debt and provide you with the emotional support you need to stay on track. Cut to a shot of a person swiping their credit card and then putting it away. Remember, credit cards can be a useful tool, but they can also be a source of trouble if not used responsibly. By learning how to manage your debt and using your credit card wisely, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Cut to a shot of a person celebrating with their family after paying off their debt. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your successes along the way. Paying off debt can be a long and challenging journey, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Take time to celebrate your milestones and keep pushing towards your ultimate goal of financial freedom. Closing shot of a person holding up a sign that says, "Debt-free." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on personal finance. And remember, with the right mindset and strategies, you can conquer your credit card debt and achieve financial freedom.